Gold and silver have started the day on a weaker note today, despite yesterday mostly traded in range. However, have given a breakout now. Both have come to the support levels. You can see previously it was 1940 levels, which gold was failing to break past. By today, it has breached those levels. And the last drop, which we had seen last week in gold, that was at 1932, it has precisely gone back to those levels. At the same time, silver also has seen the same levels. It has seen a very good break today morning, and almost 2% it has crashed and now trading at 2345 levels. 2340 is a very strong support. So now what to expect today, which position you should take and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live analysis. Next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, see this is the highs here, then the drop, then the retracement, then the drop. It is started to trade in this bearish channel. Now support there on the downside till 1930 is strong, and below that anyway that is going to crash further till towards 1920 1950 levels, and beyond that 1900 1870 is also possible. But whether it is going to achieve those levels or not, let's have a look. See, now you can see here is the resistance at 1946, and beyond this only little more rise can be expected. Also the moving averages now has started to trade divergent, started to trade bearish. So this is the point beyond which you can initiate a buy entry, and only if it trades above 1950 a further rise can be expected. Till the time it stays below 1946-50 zone, do not consider this as a reversal, do not consider this for a buy. At the same time, on the early charts, it traded outside Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands have expanded. It is trying to retrace. How far it can retrace, that is the point we will be looking forward. Now for once, at least it should try to go back within the zone above 1940 levels. That is my expectation, that at least for once it should try to attempt and achieve these levels. And since the moving averages are divergent, it will try to wait for the moving averages to come down, achieve those price, and then retrace from there. That is one possibility. Direction movement here is bearish. Stochastic has come to oversold levels, and the MACD is also divergent and bearish. RSI at bottom, and if you look at 2 hour, now on the 2 hour chart, see the bearishness increased here. Now diminishing bearishness is what we can see. Two candles trading with the tail and indicating that still there is little more downside available. However, you can see it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Little pullback can be expected. It can try to attempt and achieve at least 1940 levels for once, but only reversal confirmation, only buy entries above 1946, where you can expect it to rise for 1950 and 1955 levels. Remember, the highs here at 1955 is what could be the maximum beyond which further bullishness can be seen. Till the time, do not consider this as bullish. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. It has hit a bottom, and see most indicators have come to oversold levels, which also increases the chance of a reversal. But right now it is trading very bearish, and hence we have to wait patiently for a good entry and confirm the reversal. RSI at bottom, and if you look at 3 hour, similarly on the 3 hour charts, red candles, retracement, and you can see what has happened here. Retracement, drop, retracement. Now this retracement can take it till towards this zone 1950-55. So only and only if further rise above this zone is seen, then you can consider that as bullish. So first thing is, it has to stay above 1946 level. Beyond this, you can expect that there could be further rise till towards 50-55 levels, and if it trades past 55, further bullishness can be seen. Else it is still trading bearish. Direction movement is bearish here. Stochastic oversold. MACD extremely bearish here, divergent. And see, it is also seen the bottom. Let's see how far it can stretch this. RSI is also hitting the bottom there, and on the 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, see first of all it has come out of the support zone at 1940. Now if you look at the previous drop, where here we have seen this drop, and almost at the same levels it has achieved, that is 1932. You can see this. And also if you recall, look at the recovery post that drop. There was a sharp drop, sharp retracement, but whether it is possible today or not, that is what we have to look. But almost it has completed this zone, and now it is looking forward to retracement. I'll wait for 1940-46 zone to be breached. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom. And on the daily charts, again it is skewed on the downside. Previously it was trading with the support at 1940. It has breached the support. It has come down to the previous bottom levels. Now here previous candle was an indecision candle, neither bullish nor bearish, and taking the support from 1940. Now it has breached this channel and possibly a fallback within the zone, staying above 1946 and 50 zones. Certainly little more bullishness till towards this zone can be expected, however should not be treated as reversal there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over again for sell and it is still trading at bottom here. We'll watch out for how it behaves. RSI looking downside, looking big, and hence a buy entry. Yes, you can initiate at 1940, but then we have to remain very alert till 1946, and only about 1946-47 you can say that there is little more rise, where you can expect 1950, 1955, 1960. Above 1960, that is the point where reversal can be expected and you can expect a rise. Else you can see that moving averages are still trading with divergence, still trading bearish. Prices are divergent from the moving average. There could be a little convergence, but we have to be watchful. On the downside, you can sell here at 1930. Below 1930, definitely one can stay short for 1920, 1915 zone, which is the next strongest support level. One more observation, look at the candle size of the day before, almost 1960 to 1945 levels. The day started here at 1945. So this is $15 of candle size here and a complete move of $20. If you count it the same way here, you will find 1925 also is a very good support below 1930. Hence you have to trade with a $5 stop loss there. 1925, 20, 15 can be expected. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver now. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at the hourly charts for silver. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. See, the drop size is increasing with every move. And right now, if you look at it, is consolidating here with the support 2340, certainly. But at the same time, you can see the steps it is creating here, which is a bearish sign. But yes, you can see, if you see it trading above 1950 levels, you can at least expect it to hit 2350 levels. If you see it trading above 2350, that is a sell levels at 2350, and beyond which you can expect it to hit 2370 levels. This is what I will expect. There should be a little retracement. See, the moving averages now started to diverge. This is indication of bearishness. Hence one has to be watchful. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, and that is where a little retracement cannot be denied. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI oversold again, and this calls for a little retracement, but right now it is not showing any signs here. If you look at 2-hour chart, see, almost flat bottom is seen. Also, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence a pullback 2360, 2370 levels cannot be denied there on the upside. Now, also if you look at the formation, drop, retracement, so every drop is followed with a retracement, and now also it has seen the drop. There should be little retracement. Yes, it is trading in this increasingly bearish channel where you can find lower highs, lower lows. The highs here now at 2380 are going to be very good resistance, and then $24 levels. Directional movement here is also bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is also divergent and bearish. RSI at bottom. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, we have hardly, after this sharp drop, the previous candle hardly has seen any drop. Also remember, it is traded outside Bollinger Bands. Definitely when the next candle start, the move or the width of the Bollinger Bands would have expanded. Where you see it trading above 2350, you can initiate a buy, but then 2360, 70 levels are a very good resistance. And then my favorite 2380 level will come into picture. But remember, a reversal confirmation is only if it trades about 24. Till the time it stays below 24, do not consider this as a reversal. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish and oversold, RSI also trading at bottom. Now on the 4-hour charts, look at 2340 levels. Multiple candles getting the support here, and it is again back at 2340. Now see, the rise started from here. It is rallied here and it is retraced back to these positions. Also, it has got its support intact. Now, lower highs are seen. It is still trying to squeeze. The drop below 2340 can take it till towards 2320, 23 and 2280, the next strongest support. And also, if you look at the formation here, you can see this now trying to retrace. So, possibility of retracement cannot be denied. Directional movement bearish, stochastic bottom, MACD is divergent bearish, RSI at bottom. And if you look at the daily chart, on the daily charts you'll find, see, this was the rise, and in last 6 to 7 sessions, the gains it has taken here is completely erased, and it has come back to the bottom levels. It has erased all the gains since then, and it has come back to the support levels at 2340. So definitely below this little more bearishness can be seen there. Also remember, it was trading in this bullish channel. It has come out of this channel now, and precisely from the top of the Bollinger Bands now trying to look downwards. I'll wait how far it can stretch, but 2340, 2320 is a very good support. Here is also on the daily chart is bearish. Stochastic is bottom. MACD is now willing to converge after a little of retracement, and RSI is also trading near to the bottom levels and looking downwards, and hence you can buy here at 2350 levels and expect 2360, 2370 till 2380. It has got greater resistance, and if you see it trading about 2380, possibly a little more bullishness might take it till towards 24, and only about 24 the reversal can be confirmed. Till the time it stays about below 24, chances for bearishness will be high there. And on the downside, below 2340 you can initiate a sell entry, but then 2330, 2320 very good support. Below that it will hit 23 and 2280 levels, and below that a crash can be expected. Right now it is trading extremely bearish. It can try to show a little retracement. That is my expectation. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.